Ganyan.
Patitigilin lang kita. Aminin mo na talo ka. Talo.
Explain mo yan. Explain mo. Isa-isa.
Good afternoon. I got design project daw.
Hi, good afternoon.
Ikaw yung bakal.
Hi, good afternoon.
We'll show you the wood board.
Yeah, wood board of the Chia designer, you know.
This is the wood board of Melvin Farkas.
Yeah, Melvin Farkas is a gay.
Ano ang style nito?
I think it's a Filipino style in Spanish.
Yeah.
It's a model.
And then the next one is... Whoa! Oh, look! Oh, it's so weird, huh?
Yeah.
What kind of...
I think
this?
it's Rococo because nababaliw ang may-ari.
Oh, carnival.
You look.
This is the owner.
Yeah.
Take a look.
I think fish die because there's a lot of bulak.
Okay, next one
Thank you.
is...
Next one.
Oh, this...
yung pandan daw kasama yung University of
This belongs to Mr. Rian Pascual.
Yeah, Pascua. You know Pascua is a chubby guy. The boyfriend of Christina. Yeah, You're watching. I think this side is Japanese.
Oh. Blue, huh? Blue. Yes. This is from Chris.
Wait.
Oh.
Why don't you?
Oh, really?
You like you are.
Wait, so it's...
I wait.
Very sad.
Sorry, mali mo kasi.
This wood bar belongs to Federico Badilio.
Badilio is here's Badilio.
He's over here. There.
Yeah.
Just go.
Say hi. Hi.
Okay, let's
This style is Greek.
click.
Look, what's a Greek?
Thank you for that.
Thank you. Next.
And this one belongs to...
Oh, the
Mary.
beautiful
Mary
and so very nice person.
Let's have
She's
round
Baling
of
Ben. Oh, really? It is inspired by Thailand because you see the elephant because
Elephant.
Oh, really? Perlas.
Okay, next one is... This is from...
Yeah, it's bakla.
Okay, Mr. Charles Asejo.
In short, Charlotte.
Yeah.
You look. There's a
Very
pool. No comment.
Okay, the next one is... No,
This is the owner is Villanueva Christine.
Christian Joy Villanueva.
It is a girlfriend of
Fiancé. Rian Pascual.
Really? Oh, it's a Victorian and
Retro.
retro.
So you're right.
So, galing ha.
Okay.
meron pang traditional later. We are in a interview.
Oh, this?
Yes. Oh, your best friend.
No, she's not. He makes stupid our picture. Look. That's Edgar and Jason.
Oh.
And
This is, I think the style is churba.
mukha naman siyang retro. Palagi na yung retro. Okay.
Wala na siyang ibang alam kundi retro.
Yeah, right. But she don't know how to express what retro really is.
Ba't galit ka?
No,
Bitter. You're bitter.
Where's my-
For sure. Oh, it is your best friend. Your ex-best friend.
Okay, this will.
I think it is a contemporary Asian. Yeah, Asian. Japanese or churba. Okay. Oh, this is for Darwin Cablaluna. Okay. You know, it's so very girly, you know, because butterfly, churba.
Let me finish. You can pause.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all. That's all.
Yeah.
That's all. No.
Mali yan. Okay. This is the mood board of
It's not mine.
me.
It's not mine.
Oh, really? You look inspired by Queen Anne. And, ano yan? Art trap ba yun?
I said cat.
Ayun.
You're dumb. You're dumb.
Stop it!
Wait.
No!